Dongzheng Chemical has been dedicated to the research and manufacturing of oilfield chemicals for over 36 years, serving the entire oil and gas extraction process. Our products cover drilling, cementing, production fracturing, and water treatment, and are widely used in oil and gas projects around the world. With advanced production lines and intelligent control systems, we achieve efficient manufacturing, ensuring stable quality and reliable delivery. Supported by a professional technical team, we drive continuous innovation and providing safer, more efficient solutions for oil field development. The company adheres to direct factory supplies and supports customized production. Its products sell well nationwide and are exported globally, serving hundreds of oil field service companies. Dongzheng Chemical is driven by technology and earns trust through quality, providing reliable chemical solutions for global oil and gas extraction.